بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read our next lesson of Quranic alphabets from Za to Wad. Please, you can read after me. Please follow me. Za, Za, Za. Za has one dot on top. Za, Za. And remember, Za has whistle sound like za, 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 za. Za has whistle sound. Please produce whistle sound. Za, za, za. Our next letter is Sin, Sin, Sin. You can read after me. Sin, Sin. Sin has no dot. Sin, Sin. Please remember, Sin has also whistle sound. Sin, Sin, Sin. Our next letter is Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. Sheen has three dots on the top. Please remember, what is the difference between Seen and Sheen? Seen has no dot and Sheen has three dots on top. Seen, Sheen, Sheen, Sheen. You should know letters, how many dots. Sheen, Seen, Sheen, Seen, Sheen. Please read after me. Sheen, Sheen. Our next letter is Sad, Sad, Sad. Please read after me. Sad. Please remember, Sad has no dot on it. Sad, Sad. Sad has whistle sound. Sad. Sad. Sad has full heavy sound. Sad. Whistle sound is like za, za, sin, sad, and then you have to read full heavy sound. Sad. You can read after me. Sad. Sad. Our next letter is Wad. Wad. Please read after me. Please remember, Wad has one dot on it. Wad. Wad. Wad has full and heavy sound. Wad. There are very different between Swad and Wad. Swad has no dot and Wad has one dot on top. Swad. Wad. Our next letter is Wad. Wad. Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any questions according to this lesson or previous lesson, please leave a message in below the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو إليه